D850, you know, is the crossroads of a lot of things I've wanted in a camera for a long time. It's got speed coupled with resolution. Also a big feature of the camera is the speed of processing and the size of the buffer. And I have shot this camera really fast. I have yet to buffer it out. I would experiment with the new iteration of auto white balance. You've got auto 0 and auto 1. Depending on which one you choose, it'll take the white balance and make it very neutral relative to the scene, or it will embrace the scene, make it neutral, but also reserve some of the warm qualities to the scenes. If you're involved in speedlights and any sort of portrait type of photography with small flash, this camera is huge. This camera now liaisons fully and completely with the SP5000 radio TTL system. Watch your eyes, testing. So now I can work flashes wirelessly and I don't have to worry about line of sight. In other words, I can put them across the street and put them in a window of a building and the camera doesn't see it, but it can still trigger it because it's firing by radio. And I have TTL control. So this is a whole new ballgame as far as I'm concerned. Technology like this allows me to take chances.